guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna. So today I am here to share one DIY with you guys. Yes guys, this DIY is so very simple that I would just want to tell you, and this is my trick that I follow in my day-to-day life. And as you read the title of this video is all about how to curl your hair without using that heat, that or ironing tool. I have seen some YouTubers that try out those curls. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna, and today I'm here to share one DIY with you guys. Yes guys, this DIY is so very simple and very much interesting that you all should know. And this DIY this hair hack I follow in my day-to-day life, so I have decided to share it with you guys. So I'm here to tell you that guys, in this video you will get to know that how to curl your hair without using a heat curling tool or a hair straightener. Yes, some of the YouTubers also straighten their hair using hair straightener that I have never tried, because I used to be very scared in using that hair straightener for curling out your hair. Also it burns your hair and also damage the property of your hair. So I have been following this method since long to curl out my hair. I have this much of long hair, as you can see. So yeah, I just follow this trick to curl my hair at home, and this is the trick. And yeah, this is the trick that you will have to do at night. Yes guys, so this is the overnight curling technique that I will be telling you in this video. So for this video you will be needing certain things. Those things I just want to tell you. So you will be needing two combs for this purpose. First comb is for detangling out your hair, and then second normal comb that you use in your day-to-day life, and then two rubber bands you will be needing. And it will be good if you take this broad kind of rubber band. Here I have taken so it will be good if you can take this broad kind of rubber band as I have taken here, or you can use this simple rubber band as you wish, as you have. And lastly, one pair of scissors. Yes, so you will be needing these things. So let's get started. So okay, I just want to tell you quickly that what I will do. I will just make a pony out there. I will make a high ponytail out here, and then curl my hair, and will show you the technique. So let's begin with the video. I'm very much excited to show it to you all. yes guys, after making this type of pony, as you can see, I have made this ponytail over here, over the head of what? Yeah. So I have made this pony. So yeah. So yes guys, as you can see that I have made one ponytail over here at the upper of my head here. So you will have to do the same. You will have to make a tight ponytail on the upper part of your head. If you also want to make this pony here, you can also make this pony here. So yeah, after making this pony, you will be needing one thing. That is the most important thing in a video. So yeah, where is one? So yeah guys, next thing that you will be needing is this sock. Yes, so I have taken this sock. Yeah, remember this, that your sock is clean, nice clean, and yeah, it is the whole pair of sock because you do not want to ruin your new sock, I know. So this is my baby's old sock that she does not uses now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it from here. Yeah, so as the sock you can see, so from here I just want to cut it. So here I have my pair of scissors, and then I will be cutting out from here. Yeah, so here I will be cutting out, as you can see. Yeah, so I have cut my finger also. And be careful, don't cut your finger. So yeah, I have cut my socks from here, as you can see, and now it is hollow. Yeah, so now it is hollow like this. You will have to take this hollow sock, and then what you will have to do is you will just have to take this sock like this, and then you will just have to start rolling off the sock like this. I just want to show you. Yeah, inside out you will have to roll your sock. So as you can see, I have rolled my sock like this. Now it is looking just like rubber band. So yeah, this type of rolling socks you will be needed. So yeah guys, this type of sock you will be needing. So yeah guys, this type of sock you will be needing. Then what you will have to do is you will just have to take your pony at above. Yeah, so I have long hair, so I will be showing you like this. You will just have to take this pony at the end of your ponytail, and then you will just have to start rolling your hair like this using this sock. So you will just have to roll all of your hair like this. So yes guys, you will just have to roll your yes guys, you will just have to roll your hair with the help of this socks like so. So roll all of your hair with the help of the sock. Make a sock bun out there. It will be just looking like a sock bun that you have just made. So do it very properly. Does not have to be very neat and clean because you will have to sleep after this. So yeah, done. So this type of sock you will be doing right away. So this type of sock bun you will have to make out of your hair from your ponytail. So yes guys, this is the end part that you will have to do. And now what you will have to do, the toughest part. Yeah, no, this is the easiest part. Go and sleep. Yes guys, you will just have to go and sleep. Then early morning when you will wake up next morning, so you will then comes the easiest part and a favorite part. Yes, so you will have to go and sleep and take good hours of. Then the easiest part comes here. Yeah, then the easiest part then the easiest part come here. Yeah, so you just have to go and sleep. Yeah, you will have to take good sleep of 8 hours, and yeah, when next morning you will be waking up, so you will be seeing that your hair will turn into the curls. Yes guys, do not believe me, show these results. So yes guys, now the most interesting part and the most easiest part comes here. Yes, what you will have to do after making this bun out here, you just have to go and sleep. Yes, it is our most favorite part of the whole day. Yes, in at least mine. Yeah, mine is the at least mine. Yeah, sleeping is the most important part of my day. So yeah, what you will have to go is just go. So yes guys, what you will have to do now is just go and sleep. Take good sleep of 8 hours. Then next morning when you will wake up, then your hair will turn into the curls. Yes, if you don't believe me, see the results. Bye bye. Take care. So if you don't believe me, see the results. एक मिनट फोम दे देना मुझे
क्या बोल रहे हो
बच्चे। ये रखा इधर इधर इधर